Have you ever wondered why some websites look professional, while others look outdated and difficult to use? The secret isn't expensive software or advanced coding skills. It's understanding a few important web design principles. Web design is more than just making a website look beautiful. A good website needs to be visually attractive, easy to navigate, and enjoyable to use. Today, we'll look at 5 essential web design principles that can instantly improve any website. Let's get started. The first principle is layout. Layout is the way content is arranged on a web page. Think of it like arranging furniture in a house. If everything is organized properly, people can easily find what they need. But if everything is placed randomly, visitors become confused. A good layout guides users naturally from one section to another. It highlights important information and makes navigation simple. Modern websites often use grids and structured sections to keep everything organized. That's why layout is one of the most important foundations of web design. The second principle is color. Colors have a powerful impact on how people feel about a website. Different colors create different emotions. For example, blue often represents trust and professionalism. Green is associated with nature and growth. Red creates urgency and excitement. Choosing the right color palette helps strengthen a brand's identity and improves the overall user experience. However, using too many colors can make a website look messy and unprofessional. That's why successful websites usually stick to a consistent color scheme. The third principle is typography. Typography refers to the fonts and text styles used on a website. Even if a website has a great design, poor typography can make it difficult to read. Good typography improves readability and helps users understand information quickly. Web designers often choose clean and simple fonts that look professional on all devices. Font size, spacing, and consistency also play an important role. Remember, visitors should never struggle to read your content. The fourth principle is spacing. Many beginners underestimate the importance of spacing. But spacing can completely change the appearance of a website. Spacing gives content room to breathe. It separates different sections and makes information easier to understand. Websites with proper spacing look clean, modern, and professional. On the other hand, crowded websites often feel overwhelming and difficult to use. This is why many modern websites use large amounts of white space. The fifth principle is consistency. Consistency means maintaining the same design style throughout a website. Colors, fonts, buttons, and layouts should follow a consistent pattern. Imagine if every page of a website looked completely different. Users would quickly become confused. Consistency helps create a smooth and professional experience. It also strengthens brand recognition and builds trust with visitors. That's why professional designers always focus on maintaining consistency across the entire website. So let's quickly recap. The 5 web design principles we learned today are layout, color, typography, spacing, and consistency. These principles may seem simple, but they form the foundation of great web design. Whether you're creating a personal website, a business website, or learning web design for the first time, Understanding these concepts will help you build better user experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Tech with Charu for more web design, AI, and technology content. Thanks for watching Tech with Charu. I'll see you in the next video.